As part of Tango 9, Release 3, Vigo has introduced a new social networks module. Currently within this module are 3 primary social networking services including Twitter, FriendFeed, and Identica. Each service has its benefits and differentiation. For the moment, however, we'll focus on Twitter and how you, as a Vigo user, can leverage the powerful social tool. The first thing you'll notice is that the service has a full range of functionality. You can follow the public timeline, your friend's timeline, home, or your followers' timeline. You can also see direct messages, favorite messages, and mentions, which are tweets that you are included in. And all of this is not only available for one account, but if you have multiple accounts you would like to access through Vigo, that is supported as well. As you can see, I have both my personal account and my Vigo account set up in my Vigo. Further, you can perform searches on keywords so you can see when people are discussing topics that are of interest to you. If you are curious to know where a person might be tweeting from, Vigo gives you the opportunity to do just that. By clicking on the hyperlink associated with their profile, you are shown a map that details their home location. There are also a number of features that make Twitter in Vigo more fun, such as the ability to see whether a person is following you or not. Obviously, this person is, as his text is in green. You can also see if a person has been validated by Twitter, which is particularly useful when following a celebrity. And you can see here that Pete Cashmore has been verified. Also, if there is a picture added to the tweet from many different service providers such as TwitPic, Pic.im, Pix.im, TweetPhoto, TweetGo, and many more, they will appear within the post. This does not mean that you can post a picture within Vigo, but if a picture is in the tweet, you can see it. And if the tweet included a hashtag, the hashtag will also appear in the reply. And speaking of replies, you can do a reply all if more than one person was included in the tweet. So here you see that a number of people have been replied to and the hashtag has been included. Getting set up to use Twitter in Vigo is easy. From within the Social Networks module, select Add a Channel. From the list of available channels, we select Twitter. Then select Add an Account. You'll see that because I have an account set up already, my account has been cached, but you would simply put in your Twitter account as opposed to your Vigo account, and then select the channels that you'd like to add. So home, mentions, direct messages, favorite entries, public timeline, and followers timeline. And click Next. And you can see that all of the channels have been added successfully. And click Finish. And if you wanted to add a search to your account as well, simply select Search, and again type in your Twitter username and password, which will be cached at this point, and type in a keyword you would like to follow, and we'll label it, I'll just label it something for the time being, call it My Search, and click Next. You can choose to label it or not label it, completely arbitrary. It has been added, and you click Finish. And then when you go back to your Twitter account, you can see that the new search has been added, and the feeds are coming in, and all of your other feeds are coming in as well. So in a nutshell, that's it. And you can access your Twitter account anytime, anywhere, directly from Vigo. And the entire Vigo team looks forward to meeting you there.